I know you are very interested to see the next episode of The Family. Yes, here my team of teachers have come to show you an interesting story about nuclear family. Before we start story, listen carefully children. A good children becomes a good man or woman. A good woman or man becomes a good family. A good family makes a good society. A good society makes a good city. A good city makes a great India. Right, here we go, children. Now tell me who is the very important person in the family, in your family. Tell me now. Yes, children, she is a very beautiful mother, and she plays a key role, and she cooks delicious food for you, and she take care of your family. And in this story, here we go, I would like to introduce our mother.
Hi.
Now, I would like to introduce one more important person of the family. Children, now tell me who earns money for the family and who brings chocolates, cakes for you? Yes, he is our lovable father. Here we go. Now, next. Now, children, tell me who is the very important persons of the family. There, two or more than two or one is very important in this. Now, tell me who are there? Yes, children, they are none other than you people. Without you, there is no happiness in the family. Without you, there is no joy. And without you, there is no complete family. And today's our family kids are here. See, children, how the both are fighting and playing with toys, right? Now, children, let us not waste the time. Here we go with the story. Now children, here is a beautiful family. Just now I introduced mother, father and children. Now here is a story goes with the father, children and fine day. Father went to market to buy some nutritious food, fruits and vegetables. Now look children, in this pandemic situation, how mother is protecting, giving precautions to father with sanitizer, mask, and he took sanitizer too with him, and he went to market. Now children, have a look of a family, how busy children and mother. Father bought some dry fruits, vegetables and fruits. Mother took out all vegetables and fruits. Children, in this situation, you have to eat a lot many immunity boosters you have to take. Children, here see, after bringing fruits and vegetables from outside, what mother is doing? She has arranged all the fruits and vegetables in a tray, and she is putting some salt in water, hot water, right? For what purpose, children? Now mother will wash that fruits in hot water. So children, you ask your parents, your mother, to wash fruits and vegetables, whatever coming from outside, everything should be washed now. See children, how hard work mother will do. Come, now next what she'll do? She's taking a knife and she wanted to cut some fruits for her family. See children, sharp items you should not touch. If you want to cut anything, you ask your parents to cut it and give. You know how to eat a banana, children? You have to peel the skin of the banana, cut it in pieces. Now here our mother is cutting fruits to give her children. Now look here, what she is doing? She's throwing dust in the dustbin, and after that she is washing the spoon and giving fruits for her children. Do you like fruits, children? No, obviously you won't, but good children will always like. See, here also children are refusing to eat fruits, but mother is requesting them and telling them interesting stories to feed them. See, children, you should eat properly, then only you can gain energy. See how mother is requesting children to eat fruits. Now after that children listened and they were having fruits. Later they were busy doing homeworks. So children, here look, who is helping children to do homework? Mother. She plays every role in the family. She is making the children to write homework neatly and properly. Next day, fresh morning, children went to his father and they were planning to have a Mother's Day in house. Father agreed for it and they wanted to buy some gifts for mother. And father was insisting the children to wear mask and sanitizer with them, and he was telling them not to touch anything outside, and children agreed and they all went out. Now they were in shopping mall and they were searching for a gift. Now children everywhere, they will not search for others, they will search for themselves. So they were fighting to buy some toys for them. Father, he agreed and he gave one toy for the elder one. And they were searching for a beautiful gift for mother and they took. They came with a happy note. They bought some gifts to their mother. They were calling the mother to. Children were decorating the house to surprise their mother. Father is arranging tables, chairs. Now children are calling their mother. See, they were wishing mother and the cherishedness and happiness in the mother. See, children, you should not do anything for your mother. You just care for your mother. She loves you more than everyone. She is a beautiful for the family and she works very hard for family. Here, father, mother and children becomes a nuclear family. This is our GPRMS Happy Nuclear Family.